Hi all. Um, Good morning. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Um, kind of took in a lot last week. I know that our online class here is. I think actually at this point you may be a bit ahead of our in-person class if you have done everything the way that we've kind of instructed. However, if not, this is going to be a chance for you to make sure that you are on task. For those that maybe in pretty good shape, today may be a pretty easy day for you. You may not have a whole lot to do in short of one more maybe personality test. So what we're doing is we're taking a look at Module 1 in our Schoology course, and you notice that we're in day 3, which is where you're finding this video right now, and I'm looking at personality day 2. Okay, so what you should have done up to this point is you should have taken a personality test, and you've opened a Google Doc, you've created that Google Doc, you've called it personality, and you have taken your test and you've determined what personality type you are. Okay, I'll actually see. I think if I go back into day 1, I can't remember. I may have given an example for you guys. Maybe I didn't. I don't believe I did. I thought I had a actually no, I do right here. Personality test results in day 3. Okay. When you've taken your first personality test, you should have come up with a chart similar to what we have here. Okay, and again, I kind of zipped through this, and in taking this test, you can see the results that I have. Okay, I have 37 points towards the introvert, 32 to sensing, 67 to thinking, and 33 to judging. Okay, so ISTJ is my personality type, the duty fulfiller. And then it gives me a brief example of what that means. What exactly is that? So on your Google Doc, what I wanted you to do is put in there what exactly you were given, your point value and your result. Okay, were you an extrovert or an introvert? What was your point value? So I would have introversion 37, sensing 32, thinking 67, judging 33. Okay, simplistic enough. And then essentially write down this description right here that you have. Then what you were to do in your Google Doc is you should have explained what each one of these things mean and how it's relative to you. Okay, so an introvert, we all know that an introvert right now is a quiet person. Okay, and you look right here, serious and quiet. So with me, I would write, I'm an introverted person. I tend to be serious and quiet, and maybe give an example or two of how that relates to me. Okay, and then what we determined that if we needed a little more help understanding what those things meant. Okay, if I move back into day 2, okay, in my directions, there was a link in day 2 right here. These links right here tend to show us what the differences are and what they mean. Okay, we're eliminating number 7, and really at this point, with the assignment that I gave you on Friday, this all should have been done. Okay, however, if you're not there, you need to complete this. Okay, if I click on that link right here, E and I stand for extroversion, introversion, indicating whether you get energy from being around people or from time spent alone. Okay, and then you can go on through the bottom. Okay, now we're going to build upon that today. Okay, so that was a brief review of what you should have had done. My students in class do not have that part done yet, so you are in good shape if you stayed on the pace. Okay, if you haven't, you may fall a little bit behind. Okay, so at this point, what we're going to do in class today is clean up the parts that we don't have done, and then we're going to move into day 3, 9:14, look at personality day 2. And we're going to open up this Google Doc again that we have created called personality. And then in class, we're going to discuss this. Now, again, you guys are going to, moreover, you're going to write that down on a Google Doc, and you're going to do more of that than you are going to discuss. Okay. As we move down, it says we want to take time to compare our personality results with those in your groups. Okay. Again, we're doing that in class. However, what I want you to do is for the validity, take one more personality test on your laptop. Okay, so this is going to be a similar type of test that you just took. Again, it's just something that we want to measure whether or not you think that you are the results that you were given, okay, whether or not those were accurate or not, okay. And then what the key is our focus is right here today, okay. Write down your letters as you did yesterday under the new title, Truity Personality Test, under this personality heading in the Google Doc, okay, under the personality heading. We will not be writing the meanings of each letter today, okay. So we already did that. We already met what introvert and extrovert meant and how that related to you, okay. What we want to do is with you, again, you're skipping this group work because that's stuff we're doing in class. What we want to do is write down in your Google Doc the findings of your discussion and answer each question listed above in about a paragraph essay, okay? Right up here. Compare your results from yesterday's personality test to today's personality test. How are they similar? How are they different? Do you think it's accurate? Also discuss which assessment would best suit you, and if you want to see, or if you may even see you as different personality than you tested, okay? You want to include all of that in your writing. You know, I'm not looking for anything, you know, long, maybe a nice paragraph that answers all of those questions, okay? And then what we're going to do is basically finalize our personality section. Okay, you're going to go through and submit your personality document to me on Schoology. Okay, now how do we do that? Okay, if you go back and you look at opening materials, I believe is where we're at, submit Google Doc to Schoology. Okay, you're going to follow these steps right here to get your personality document turned into Schoology. Okay. I'll put an assignment up there. It's called personality. You'll go through, you'll submit the assignment, you'll follow the directions that are given, and that's that. So again, kind of a lot to do. I feel like you guys are in good shape though, because you should have in essence completed, you know, what we're trying to finish in class today. You should already have that part done. Okay. So really it's simply taking a second personality test, comparing your results to the first one, and then writing me a nice paragraph on what you found in your personality document. And then you're going to turn this personality document in using the instructions that are given right here. Okay. Again, as always, if you guys need help, be sure you reach out to me, email me, call me at the school, whatever it takes, and we'll try and get you all squared away. Okay. Again, I hope everybody had a nice weekend, and again, reach out to me if you need anything.